Imagine stepping into a magical world where animals cook like master chefs in cozy and rustic kitchens. Well, what if I told you that not only can you create these breathtaking cinematic scenes using AI, no special effects or expensive gear required? If you check out this TikTok account, the creator has uploaded only 25 videos and every single one has gone viral, racking up millions of views. He's uploading the same videos on Instagram, and with just 25 posts, he's already gained up to 56,000 followers. Now, many of you might be wondering, how does this account help the creator earn a decent income? Well, here's the link to his store where he sells digital products. With the kind of engagement his videos are getting, it's clear he's set to earn a substantial amount of money from it. Before we dive into how to create these videos, it's worth noting that this account uploads two types of animal content. Some videos show animals cooking, while others feature them driving. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to make these viral videos in just 10 minutes using free AI tools and show you how to start earning thousands of dollars each month from your creation. To create these videos, we first need to generate the images, and that starts with powerful prompts. ChatGPT is an excellent AI tool for crafting those prompts. I'm already logged in and have provided all the necessary information to ChatGPT. You can find the complete command prompt in the comment section, so you can practice creating your own. It will generate the prompts accordingly. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated all the prompts based on the information we provided. All the prompts I've generated so far are for animals cooking. Now I'll generate prompts for animals driving images. I submitted the command prompt to ChatGPT, and it generated the image prompts accordingly. All the image prompts have been generated. The next step is to create the images using these prompts. I'll be using two of the most advanced free text-to-image AI tools, Ideogram.ai and Leonardo.ai, both known for generating highly realistic images. Now I'll copy the first image prompt and head over to Ideogram.ai to generate the image. I'm already logged in, so now I'll paste the prompt here. Then I'll select the 9:16 ratio, which is perfect for TikTok videos. After that, I'll select the realistic mode to generate the most realistic results. Then click on the generate button to create the images. Next, I'll copy the first prompt from the animal driving section and head over to Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI offers 150 free credits daily, and you can log in with multiple accounts to generate even more images for free. After login, click on the image generation. Review the settings carefully, and under image dimensions, be sure to click more. Then select the 9:16 ratio, which is ideal for TikTok. After that, paste the prompt here and click on image generation. It will cost 24 credits and generate 4 image variations based on the prompt. The ideogram images have been generated successfully and the results are amazing. Remember, you can always regenerate the images if they don't turn out as expected. Now let's check the results from Leonardo AI. As you can see, Leonardo AI has generated highly realistic images based on the prompt. These AI tools are excellent for creating stunning images for free. Now that the images for the first prompts from cooking animals and driving animals have been generated, I'll repeat the process for the remaining prompts, copying and pasting them into the AI tools to generate the images and downloading only the best one. And we'll show you the results once all the images have been generated. I've generated all the images, and the next step is to bring them to life. I'll be using two of the most advanced image-to-video AI tools, Haluo AI and Runway ML. The reason I'm showcasing two AI tools for both images and videos is to help you explore different options, making it easier to decide which one suits your needs best. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. It means the world to us. Now first I will head over to Haluo AI. If it's your first time logging into Haluo AI, you'll notice 1,100 credits available. This tool offers 1,100 credits to newcomers and provides 100 credits daily for all creators. As you can see, Haluo AI offers both text to video and image to video options. Since we already have the images, I've selected image to video and will now import the image. I've imported the image and added some keywords to guide the AI in generating the video. After that, click on the generate button. It will cost 30 credits and take some time to create the video. The best part of this AI tool is that you can submit up to 3 images at once to generate videos. Following the same process, I'll now import the remaining 2 images, add some keywords, and generate the videos. The next advanced image to video AI tool is Runway ML, so I'll head over to it now. After logging in, scroll down and click on generative session to get started. Now click here to import the image. After selecting the image to import, I've successfully uploaded it and added the necessary keywords. You can generate 5 to 10 seconds of videos with this AI tool. After reviewing the settings, including the prompt and camera motion, I'll leave everything as it is and click the generate button. Runway ML generated the video in just a few seconds and the results are amazing. To download this video, I'll click on the download button. And if I show you the results from Haluo AI, you'll be amazed at how realistic they are. In the same way, I'll convert each image into a video using Haluo AI and Runway ML, and I'll show you the results once all the videos are generated. I've successfully generated all the videos, 5 for animals driving and 5 for animals cooking. The next step is to edit these videos in a video editor. You can use any editor, but I'll be using Capcut because it's easy to use, free, and user-friendly. I've opened Capcut, and now I'll import the videos we generated. I've imported all the videos. First, I'll work on the animals driving video, and then I'll move on to animals cooking. I'll import all the animals driving videos into the timeline. I've imported the videos, and now I'll zoom in on each one to make the animal's face appear clearer. After zooming in on the videos, I'll add transitions between them for smoother and more engaging results. The next step is to add text to each video clip. I've already written some text for each video clip, and now I'll add it to the corresponding clips. I've copied the heading for the first clip, and now I'll paste it into the Capcut text section. After that, I'll copy the description and paste it into the Capcut text section. After that, I'll adjust the text size to ensure it looks better and fits well on the screen. In the same way, I'll add text to all the clips and fast forward through this process to save time. The next step is to add background music to the video. I'll use the Pixabay music library because it offers thousands of copyright-free images, footage, music tracks, and more. I've reviewed several music tracks and downloaded the one that best suits our video. After that, I'll import the music track into Capcut and add it to the timeline. I will trim the extra part of music track and the video will be ready. The video is ready. Now I'll export it to my desktop. Click on the export button and Capcut will begin exporting the video. In the same way, I will import the animal cooking video clips, edit them, and show you the final results once the videos are ready. I've successfully exported the second video. Now let's check out the final results. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me.